they're really not to be dismissed now because your plea bargain agreement, I haven't even accepted it yet and entered a sentence. I've just accepted the contract that you want to enter into. Do you understand? All right. So, but again, if somebody brings me case law that says something differently, I'll review it. I never said I know everything. Punishment is to be assessed at 10 years in the prison. There's a $1,200 fine. State is opposed to your application. This is running concurrent with 2025 CR 008396. All right, state, you're opposed. I'll hear your argument, but before we do that, for the record, in cause number 2025 CR 008396, there was a plea of guilty to count one. The enhancement in count two was waived without objection. And according to the plea bargain agreement in that case, punishment is to be assessed at 10 years in the prison. There's a $1,200 fine. This case is to run concurrent with 2025 CR 014167, taking in consideration 2025 CR 015020 and 2025 CR 015019. All right, the court will hear argument.
Opposed to Brian's application because she would be a good candidate. She's done 2 trips to prison in the past, but more importantly, crimes she's had in her history of crimes of moral turpitude. She's also involved with information. Based on the TAP evaluation, it appears Ms. Paez is not motivated, and in the state's opinion, motivation is the biggest driving factor for someone to be successful on probation because it's reasonably lost.
All right, defense.
Judge, I spoke with Ms. Paez and she wanted me to speak on her behalf. So she informed me, and I think it's noted in the TAP evaluation, she has 4 kids and they're currently in the custody of the father-in-law. And apparently she had congenital heart failure, epilepsy. So while she was in the hospital, the kids were removed from her custody. I would anticipate if the court grants the release, there's going to have to be some sort of CPS plan before she can get custody of the kids. She informed probation, informed me she planned to live with a friend of hers. She did mention, I mean, she's had prior criminal convictions for probation for drug use and indicated